So let's look into the working of an AC generator. So the working principle is the electrical generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. So what happens over here? When the coil of an electrical generator rotates in a magnetic field, induced current flows in the circuit connected with the coil. So we have our construction. To begin with, we have our armature, then we have our slip rings, then brushes, then magnet, then this is our axis of rotation. So next thing is the construction. So describing whatever we just learned. So armature coil is a soft iron core on which the coil is wounded is called as an armature. The function is to convert mechanical power to electrical power. It's similar to our DC. Strong field magneto is the same thing. The difference is slip ring. The two ends of armature coil is connected to two brass slip ring. They rotate along the armature coil. The function is to connect coil to the brushes. Right? Now we have the brushes, two carbon brushes pressing against the rings. The function is to connect the rings to the external circuit. Make sense? Now at last the working. When the armature coil ABCD rotates in a magnetic field provided by a strong field magnet, it cuts the magnetic field lines. Thus, the changing magnetic field produces induced current in the coil. The direction of the induced current in the coil is determined by your Fleming's right hand rule. The current flows out through the brush 1 in one direction in the first half of the revolution and through brush 2 in the next half of the revolution in the reverse direction. This process is repeated, therefore, induced current produced is of alternative in nature. Make sense? So all of this you guys have to copy it off. Try to keep it neat. Try to name it in this way because there are too many small things and labels. So